going on, MicroScaleGarage? This is a tiny 4x4 special unboxing. Okay, sorry about that. I was trying to place it on this rim. Ended up flipping the camera. Alright. Special unboxing real quick. Tiny 4x4. Oh. Been waiting to open up this all day. Had a lot of things to do. Got it ripped. Slide this open like this. And we are gonna test out the products that Don is making. Don has been SLA printing just like he printed those steelies for us. And now he's got like epic designs of rims. Oh man. Yeah, those look real good. Yeah, there's no way I can make nothing that good. That's that power of that SLA. It's like it's injection molded. That's epic scale right there. We got some rims to test out. Oh, we got more rims to test out. Holy cow, they look good. Oh yeah, they all look good. They're gonna look good with some paint. Especially with some epic builds. We got a lot of building to do. Got a lot of trucks to show them off on. I mean, I can show them off on these trucks, but oh, what's this? Here's his mud tracks, and he's got smaller mud tracks. And I think my GoPro's like upside down. It is upside down. It's filming upside down right now. How am I? Oh man! All right, in the editor, it's gotta. But look at this. Look at this. We gotta open this. This is sweet. Look at that. They're stackable. Yeah, sweet work. Sweet work. And here's my design. He SLA printed it. Oh, that's really cool. Whoa, they look way better than what I printed. Holy cow. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I like that. Alright, but look at these. Those look like Chevy style rims right there. We gotta get these out of the package. Oh, I'm seeing some styles in there that are just, they're just beautiful. I gotta get some more tires so that way I can fit them on my tire rack. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some epic run videos with these too. Yeah, those look real nice. Super detail with that printer. I mean, you can hardly see the layer lines. I'm gonna have to do like another video in the morning or something because we gotta get that light. Oh man, that looks good. I like those a lot. Let me throw a tire on him real quick. Here's his Don Steely. Oh, that looks nice. That's pretty right there. I like that style. Yeah, that's gonna look real good on the Jeep. Make it look like a stocker Jeep real quick. That'll look real good. Alright, and I want to say thank you very much, Tiny 4x4. Yeah, his steelies, his split 5s, or these are split 8s. That's why I gotta get that style printer. And this is the difference between an FDM printer and an SLA injection, or the resin printer, where they pull the print out of the bat, like layer by layer, and it dips back in. You know, mine's built up, just being built up. Yeah, that's real good. I don't even know if that was all in the camera while I was talking, but the quality of those rims and that type of printer is amazing. Whoa. I gotta order some tires. Yeah, that's that style. check out one more. Just dump them out. It's like Christmas in January. I got rims for days in my shop now. Look at those. Those are beautiful. Oh, those are beautiful. I can see those on a nice Chevy, like a Suburban, because that's the next build that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to find a Suburban model kit, either 125th or 135th. I'm gonna have to go to Model Saras or Model Cave in Yipsy. And then here's this offset deep dish. Yeah, Don, those are epic. I like those. That gives me a lot of inspiration. Ooh, Chevy. Those almost look like. I like the little bead lock going around there. That's real sweet. I'm gonna have to take time and paint some up. I gotta send them some more STL files. None of these are my designs. The only one that's my design is this one. I gave him this crazy design. But wow, that's really cool. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some running videos with these. See the artifact, me working in Tinkercad. This was all worked in Tinkercad. I mean, they look good. They look real good. They feel a little, this resin feels different than this resin. And then versus the steely resin, like this resin feels hard, like almost like injection mold. This feels soft. But yeah, there's some things that I gotta fix. It didn't come out that good, not a good print. I'm not too happy with that. I mean, I'm happy with the print, but I'm not too happy with the design. I probably could have designed them better. Too many layer lines and all that stuff in those rims. But thank you very much for printing those out. I do like that. I got 2 sets of those, right? Yeah, there's how mine came out. Can't really tell that, but that makes it look better with that printer. That SLA printer will bring it out. But this is actually a redesign of this one. This was the first design I gave him of those rims, of the star rims. But yeah, there's a lot. And then coming up tomorrow is gonna be bag C. I know I've been putting that off, but I gotta get back on bag C because it's time to get my Defender running. And there's snow out and I have mud tracks, but before we go, I really want to open up these tiny ones. Babe, look at these tiny mud tracks that Don sent. Sweet. They're like super sweet. You can find all these on tiny4x4.com. Microscale RC trucks. Oh, look at, I don't even know if the GoPro's gonna pick that up. There is a tiny 4x4 logo. Hold on, it's on both sides. There's a tiny 4x4 logo. Oh, I need a better camera. It's like on the edge, like it's like right here. It says tiny 4x4. All right, we can look at it on the bigger one, but that. We gotta put that on the Jeep, yeah. Oh, oh, wait a minute, with my wide wheels, I can put it back here. And the gas tanks, they look way better than the extra speed gas tanks, but, oh, yeah, Don, that's perfect, yeah. Get your scale accessories for your Orlando Hunter, tiny4x4.com. Yeah. Let's stack a rim up there too, you know what I'm saying? We gotta ship some rims. Oh, that looks good. That looks real good. All right, we gotta put an oil tank, gas tank on there. I guess the green ones will be oil. These are. Look at this design on these. I don't even know where my extra speed ones are. But to compare sizes, there's an extra speed one. I like the handle. like how thick it is, and I like how there's actually different designs. I gotta print some of mine off. I haven't printed none of mine off yet. They're so tiny. They're super tiny. That's so cool. Alright, we got that. And then there's like a super, oh man, look at this. I can make that little holder on the side of the door now. That's how tiny they are. That, okay, you got that one, right? And then you got this little boy, because that's what you get from like RC Mart. But this, I can't print that. Oh, look at that. It's gonna go right. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Babe, look at this little itty bitty tiny one. Look at that.
Oh, that's sweet.
See? Even Christine, she approves. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that's... hold on a minute. There's so many of them. My trucks are gonna be decked out with supplies. Now I can fit some in the Bronco. So the Bronco will have some tanks in there, because last time I crashed the CA glue, I lost the ones on the side. But now I got actual red ones, so they'll show, they'll pop. You know, we could just set that in there and it'll just show. Like, that looks sweet because it's just in there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh man, I want to send Don a SLA file so he can print those. But yeah, that's gonna be later after I fix them. Oh, there's so much. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. Tiny4x4.com. We gotta, oh, we can dress up the Pedro now, can have some parts on it. Look at this. Now we're making everything look sweet. Oh, we throw some more tanks on there, you know, just, I know it's all gotta get strapped down. Oh. It's all gotta get strapped down, but just for looks, just set them in there, just like that. Gotta fix the panhard bar on the F-150. And it's about to get some metal on the side and the bottom on the running rails. But, alright you guys, peace out, and I'll see y'all in the next video.